My name is Karen King. Our Whitsit meditation today is on the light of life. Life is of divine origin. Life is eternal and indestructible. Life as a principle and spiritual ability is not to be confused with human life. A human life, specifically a human body, has a beginning and an end in our time-space reality. A human body is said to live between a birth and a death. Life, the principle and spiritual ability, has no such finite existence. Life is eternal, which means it has always been, is now, and always shall be. The principle of life, our life faculty, expresses as animation, vitality, and presence. As we begin our meditation, I ask you to breathe consciously, extending your arms out from your shoulders. I ask you to revel in your own aliveness. Move your life-filled body, swaying, dancing, and stretching as a prayer of appreciation. Tune your awareness to the first chakra, the generative organs within your pelvis, the center of your life faculty. Shine the red light of life throughout your pelvis, blessing your vital organs with life. Know that you extend life from the nucleus outward, blanketing your entire body with life nourishment. Established in life, you appreciate the universal source of life. This universal source gives life to you as creativity. Therefore, you give life to everything that you are creating. That which gives life to you is abundance. Therefore, you steady yourself in abundance, consciousness, knowing all things are possible, and living richly. That which gives life to you is compassion. Therefore, you embody kindness in every thought, word, and action toward others and yourself. That which gives life to you is joy. Therefore, you live in the delight of every moment. And now let my words be your words. My body does not give life to me. The source of all life that I am, I give life to my body. I am, my true divine nature is movement and form, function and consciousness. I am divine life. I tune to life's power of animation. My eternal life is in perpetual motion. My capacity to understand continually expands. I am forever flowing in forward, onward, and upward ways. My vision enlarges with every divine idea I set in motion. Acquiescing to the tidal flow of life, I move and rest, retreat and extend, pause and proceed, grieve and rejoice, grasp and release. I tune to life's power of presence. I am fully present. I am a radiating light, and in my presence, others rise to awareness of their spiritual nature. I am divine life, ever renewing. I am divine life, ever expressing. I give life to divine ideas. All that I give life to lives.